Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by claiming central space with 1. d4 then 2. c4. This forces your opponent to decide. Once done, develop knights to f3 and c3 so you can recapture and control e4. Make sure to delay unnecessary bishop moves until the pawn tension resolves. That preserves flexibility. If black plays d5, you aim for classical development. If black answers nf6, you prepare to transpose. Keep your king safe with quick castling and track pawn structure. Now you transform opening advantage into concrete plans. Assess piece activity and choose a pawn break. e4 if you have central space, c5 to undermine black's center. Once decided, reroute knights and bishops to support the breakthrough and open files for rooks. Make sure to time the minority attack carefully. Advance b-pawns only when your pieces control the critical squares. Use prophylaxis. Stop enemy counterplay before committing. If pieces are cramped, swap timely minor pieces to ease maneuvering. As the game winds down, aim to convert advantages by simplifying into an endgame where your pawn structure and active king matter most. Once you trade down, create a passed pawn and centralize your king. These are decisive themes. Make sure to keep rooks active on 7th rank if available and restrict enemy pieces. If progress stalls, reroute a knight or bishop to better squares, avoid unnecessary pawn weaknesses, and constantly scan for tactical shots. This troubleshooting approach often breaks stubborn defenses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.